Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to check out some super short hairstyle ideas. These will range from pixies and of course bobs. First up we see this very short pixie cut. This is an absolutely gorgeous shape. She does have baby bangs in the front with this one. And then we're going to check out another pixie, and this one features color as well as a line design. Gorgeous. I think the lines really add some interest as well as the pop of color that she has. So next up, we're going to check out a super short pixie transformation. So she went really short with this one, but she did keep the bangs. So then we're going to see a modern mullet transformation. Gorgeous. I love this look. As you guys know, the mullet is back and I'm loving that take. And then we see a stunning platinum blonde pixie cut. This one is also super short and does feature a color contrast. Then we see this gorgeous silver pixie hair transformation. Next up, we see a bob haircut complete with bangs. So the stylist is playing with the client's hair first, seeing where he wants to place the bangs. Gorgeous. So she ended up getting a shoulder length bob complete with some gorgeous fringe bangs. So that particular stylist is back again for the next look, and for this one he's going to be doing a chin length style bob. gorgeous. I think this bob perfectly frames her face. She looks amazing. So next up, we are going to see a variety of shorter pixie haircuts. So this first one does feature longer bangs in the front. And then we see more of an undercut pixie haircut for this next one that does feature nice face framing bangs. Now for this next one, she does start off with a pixie already, and the stylist does cut it much shorter. And then heading back into that modern mullet trend, this transformation will feature another variation on the modern mullet. This one kind of reminds me of a short pixie with a bit of a tail. And then here is another very classic pixie haircut, as well as more of a modern shaggy cut. And then we have another pixie. And then we have a nice bob with curtain bangs. And then we have a salt and pepper pixie. And then we have another shaggy kind of bob with the curtain bangs. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me. If you did, please be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.